Hey y'all, so a lot of us feel stressed when we think about planning or keeping track of our tasks, which is quite understandable. So luckily, Wick here just lets me brain dump and rant about my day, and it gets all that planning set up for me. It's actually kind of fun. It's like ranting to a responsible bestie or something like that. So I just go here to chat and I start ranting about my day, and then boom, everything is in my task list, and my plan for today is also viewable here in the home page. And I can also rant to Wick about a more complicated task that has multiple steps, and Wick will make sure that I stay organized by adding all the necessary subtasks for me to keep track of. Next, I can also go to the plan section of this app and look for all the tasks that we just made, and I can drag them onto the calendar to specify work times so that we don't fall behind and we actually commit to working on these things. As well, I don't have to worry about forgetting any of these tasks because Wick will just text me via SMS when it's time to lock in on these tasks. And it really is that easy. With Wick, you can really just brain dump your way to success. Anyway, it's been Victor from Wick, and you should subscribe for more tips on how to get the best out of Wick because it is the ultimate tool for helping you stay organized and chill during college. Thanks, y'all.